What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Well, we decided to go on a short hike because Jess wanted to hunt for some prawns, guys. Some crawfish, aka prawns, aka shrimp in fresh water. Yeah. But you know what, guys? The weather isn't that great, and the water is totally dirty, guys. Totally dirty. But nonetheless, guys, it's still beautiful. Beautiful to just get out there, to enjoy nature, you know, to get wet. Yeah, got my jacket on because it was pouring earlier. We got Jess right over there. I don't know if you can see her hunting away. She loves to look for prawns. Our secret area is nearby. So, sorry guys, can't really show you that, but I'm not sure if we're gonna go over there because the water is really dirty. So I don't know. We'll see. Flew the drone. I don't know if you guys are gonna see it before this clip or after this clip. But what I wanted to do, my intention is, of course, to capture beautiful jungle scenery, but to also look for some maybe unknown waterfalls and just areas that we wanna explore. So you know, so you got this little stream going around here. So flew my drone in the middle area there, amongst the tall trees and the bushes and all that kind of stuff, because you never know, guys. You never know. It's probably, these trees are probably hiding a lot of waterfalls in there. One of these days we'll find some new ones, thanks to the drone, hopefully. But what I'll do is I'll put the clip on our big screen TV and look closely. You know, that's how you spot little waterfalls here and there. All right,